That continues with the Congress party now deflecting from Nasrallah's entire controversy. In fact, being asked on Mehbooba Mufti's stance, the Congress party has deflected by saying, let's focus on India. We must improve our democracy. Listen in.
तो हमें अपनी डेमोक्रेसी को बेटर करना है। हम बाहर जो देख रहे हैं वो एक अलग जो दुनिया का नज़रिया है, जो जिसकी फीलिंग है, लेकिन एट द सेम टाइम हमें अपनी डेमोक्रेसी को स्ट्रेंथन करके अपने लोगों के लिए आगे बढ़ने की ज़रूरत है। मेरा ख्याल है ऐसी सिचुएशन जो है वो क्रिएट नहीं करनी चाहिए। हरियाणा तो हमें अपनी डेमोक्रेसी को बेटर करना है। हम बाहर जो देख रहे हैं वो एक अलग जो दुनिया का नज़रिया है, जो जिसकी फीलिंग है, लेकिन एट द सेम टाइम हमें अपनी डेमोक्रेसी को स्ट्रेंथन करके अपने लोगों के लिए आगे बढ़ने की ज़रूरत है। मेरा ख्याल है ऐसी सिचुएशन जो है वो क्रिएट नहीं करनी चाहिए।
So, Sohail, this is baffling. The reactions that are coming in, Omar Abdullah, now the Congress party as well, the question still remains, why this hesitation to call out a person who was the head of a terrorist organization after the killing, one leader coming out to mourn the death, others shying away from calling him out?
Well, in fact, yesterday in the evening, we saw these protests happening in Srinagar, in Badgam, in the areas where there is Shia population. After these protests, we saw reactions coming from politicians like Mehbooba Mufti cancelling her political campaign for today, and Omar Abdullah now also speaking about the event that took place yesterday, wherein this IDF killed Hezbollah commander Hassan Nasrullah. The reactions are coming at a time when the North Kashmir is going to polls, and there are many areas where Shia population is dominant, where there are areas who are going to in fact vote in the third phase of Jammu and Kashmir Assembly elections, which is going to take place on October 1st. So these politicians have these in fact political ambitions and electoral voter politics in their mind as well. Mehbooba Mufti cancelling her programs for today, but her daughter Iltija Mufti continues to campaign for her in fact for PDP candidates in Tangmag. National Conference Vice President Omar Abdullah campaigning in North Kashmir, giving a guarded statement on the killing of Hezbollah commander Hassan Nasrullah. But his party's MP from Srinagar, Aga Ruhullah, has also called off his political campaign because he hails from Badgam district, where in fact Shias are in dominant position, in majority basically. So this is a sentiment that they are in fact fanning. They have the idea of about this sentiment and the reaction of killing of Hassan Nasrullah, because when it comes to Israel-Palestine conflict, it has implications, has direct impact on Kashmir, because it's a Muslim majority area or Shia majority area like in Srinagar and Badgam and other northern areas of Kashmir. So these politicians are making statements, keeping in view the current political situation in Jammu and Kashmir, particularly in Kashmir Valley, and the target is the third phase of assembly elections that is going to take place on October 1st.